Guys, we are, where we at, Matt?
Hendersonville, Drakes Creek, fireworks.
Fireworks. We're gonna go get food and we'll get back on here. Fireworks is about to begin, you guys. Happy 4th of July. There's Matt. Say hi, Matt. I got the pool going right here. It's almost. I'm gonna get the grill going. Got the music playing. Sorry I look like this. It's hot. It is hot, you guys. Got the table and stuff. Get back on here once we start doing more stuff. Guys, I am about to set up my at-home desk. It's marble top and stuff, so hopefully I don't do it by myself because Matt always helped me out and stuff, so we'll see.
We'll see if she gets the desk.
I'm gonna feed all this stuff anyway. Okay, so I put like this.
Other way, yeah.
Guys, so I did everything. That mirror is going to go up because it has the gold, and I have these right here, and I'm gonna come back on here once I got everything up. You guys, here we go. Our day and stuff about to get started. Woo! This is the picture of me and Matt when we went
on the riverboat.
Can you guys see it? But it is coming along, you guys. slowly by slowly. Come back on here when everything is done.
Set this.
Okay, you guys. Yeah, I've been reset it.
My name's Ebony.
Whatever. But yeah, everything is done. I just need to get like a lamp, something else, and I want to get 2 like shelves or whatever, and another chair to go with it, like a golden marble chair. But yeah,
You want to sit down?
it's the finish.
I'm working.
Do you like it?
You working, love? Thank you, John.
Oh.
What do you want? What do you want?
I want some cake.
Okay.
But yeah, we're gonna get back on here to pop fireworks and stuff a little later when it gets a little dark. Right now it's still light outside, as you can see. So yeah.
Okay.
You guys. Oh, Mom, not sure. I have to. Is it good, John?
It's so good, I'm about to explode.
You guys, I suck at recording, but we got steak, mashed potatoes, macaroni salad.
Macaroni, baked potatoes.
My sister got, what is that?
Lobster
Shrimp,
tail.
lobster tail.
Look, guys.
I was trying to make tacos. She was trying to make tacos. Look. You got pizza?
Well, I want more pizza.
You want more pizza?
More pizza, Mommy.
You guys.
Mommy.
You guys, we're getting started. We have these. Everybody's popping them all around us.
Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
We literally just got done shooting the fireworks from outside. We didn't get that much because it's just too crazy expensive. Plus, we didn't see fireworks, what was it, 2 times already, I think?
Yeah.
2 times already. One time it rained on us and it messed
really
my
because the
hairstyle
guy
up.
that does it in our neighborhood too.
What are you eating?
Some of the cheeks.
I don't know if I'm gonna end the video here or start up by tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see, but see you guys when I pick up the phone or end the video. We're not saying bye yet, John.
Whoops.
He's over here like, ooh.
Okay.
Good morning, good morning. Good morning. Let me turn my car off. Good morning, you guys. I got a chocolate croissant. And then, a white chocolate mocha. So good. So good. I don't know what we're gonna be filming today. I don't know. But we had fun. We didn't get a lot of fireworks and stuff last night because they're too expensive. But I'm at work, waiting to clock in a minute. I just came on here to say good morning. Today is Wednesday. We'll be back on here once I get off at 2. You guys, I'm off of work now.
Hi, guys.
This guy's back there saying hi. On our way to go and get Dairy Queens. Our Dairy Queen is finally open back up. So hopefully they have banana splits because I've been craving about banana splits since they opened up and stuff. Say hi to the camera, y'all.
Hey.
But they can see you. Okay, we'll see y'all when we get there. Got our ice cream, you guys.
Look, my ice cream.
Hey guys, Ebony wanted me to close out this video the first time I'm closing it out, so I'm closing it out. I'll see y'all next time.
You're supposed to say make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you soon.
See you soon.
Bye.